Hey everyone, welcome to the Wearholic channel, where you will find the best tips, reviews, and solutions for wearables. In today's video, I have got something awesome to share with you. I will show you how to use your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 as a camera remote for your smartphone. You won't believe how convenient this feature is, so stay tuned. Before we dive in, let me remind you to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. Samsung used to provide an inbuilt camera controller app in Galaxy Watch 6 that allowed us to remotely control the phone camera. However, this feature is now only available for expensive Samsung Galaxy phones. If you have a Galaxy Premium phone, then you can use it by accessing the camera app in the watch menu. But if your watch does not have a camera app, then how can you remotely control the camera? Don't worry, I will tell you. As you can see, I have got my Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 here and I have opened the camera app on the watch. The interesting part is that my phone's camera app is not even open, but I can control and view my phone's camera right from the watch. I can take photos, shoot videos, and switch between the front and rear cameras. It's like having a remote camera control on your wrist. But what makes it even better is that, unlike typical smartwatches, you don't just control the camera. You get the entire camera view on your watch and adjust settings directly from your wrist. As I mentioned earlier, the Samsung Camera Controller app is not available for many phones, so we will use an alternative app for this purpose. Search Camera One on the Play Store from your Galaxy Watch 6. Once you find it, go ahead and install the app. But you also need to install the Camera One app on your connected phone. After installing the Camera One app on your phone, open it and grant the necessary permissions. Once you have done that, you are good to go. The app will let you use your phone's camera through your watch. Now, when you open the Camera One app on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, then you will instantly gain access to your phone's camera. Swipe up and down to switch between the front and rear cameras. Tap on this if you want to record videos. Use the bezel to zoom in and zoom out. Change the layout style, picture size, video resolution, set timers, and even assign your favorite button for quick access. When you are ready to capture a photo, just point your phone's camera, frame your shot, and click the picture directly from your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. The photo will be saved in your phone's gallery. You can buy its premium version to access more functionality. So there you have it, a fantastic way to use your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 as a camera remote. That's all that I wanted to share with you in today's video. I hope this video has been helpful to you. For more informative wearable content, check out our channel by tapping on Wearholic and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.